put the shoulder on, at least before I went ahead and ran the shoulder up. That would have given me a little more room. So there we go. That is an assembled, ready to rock Squeezy. Now we have those, we have the zip tie mounts and the claws that you can use just like the springtails. So we're going to want this to go around there and then come out. So go in through there, come out down there. We want these to be fully snug so they don't get bumped. And then put a little curl on it, and that'll become our ground scraping wedge for these. So same thing, I want that to be at the bottom. So we'll go in this way, come out down below. I like to give them a good curl. And then what I found is I don't really need them to protrude much wider than the plow. So you can see if got another bot I can run up on. The zip ties help me make sure I get under there. So usually I'm driving at them, pick them up, take them over, drop them in the pit. So here's our Squeezy. In case anybody's wondering, it does self-right from all orientations. Sometimes you may have to flip them twice, 3 times. So that's why the zip tie, the springtails can't be that long. So we'll snip these there and there. And make it a mess. Hope you enjoyed. There you go.